In the previous video, I showed you how you can host n8n for absolutely free. But now it's time to set up Google credentials. In this way, we can use Google Sheets, Docs, or Gmail, which is very useful. Almost all Google products. Let's start with a very simple workflow. Trigger manually. Let's add one of Google products like Google Sheets, create a spreadsheet. Let's back. Let's add another one, for example, Google Docs, create a document, and we can add Gmail, slides, anything you want. Let's add Gmail as well. Okay, this actually should be enough. Let's click on one of these, for example, this one. Just double click. In the credential section, click on create new credential. As you can see in here, let me actually open the document. This document is very complicated. I don't know why. The process is super simple. But in here, all you have to do is just click on Google Cloud Console, or personally, I prefer to click on New Project. In this way, you can directly create a new project inside Google Cloud Console. Just click on this. Name your project, for example, n8n, first project, any name you want, new organization, and click on create. Make sure you select your project. On the notification, just click on select project. And in here, you should be able to see your project name, n8n first project, which is correct. Now, the process is super simple, and the order doesn't matter. You can start from the end or do it at the beginning. For example, some people prefer to enable Google products at the beginning, some people do it at the end. It doesn't matter. But personally, I prefer to first enable all Google products on the search bar. For example, I want to use Gmail, so click on Gmail API, and we have to enable this. That's it, super easy. Now let's add another Google product, for example, Docs. Google Docs API. Enable this one as well. And also Sheets. Click on Enable. That's it, super easy. As you can see, we can create a credentials in here. You only need one credential for all Google products. We were able to create the credential from the beginning before enabling these, but this was actually easier. Click on create credentials. In here, select an API, Google Sheets API. Select user data. Click on next. For the app name, you can, for example, say n8n first project. Select your email. Scroll down for the developer contact information. You can put an email and click on save and continue. In this section, I prefer to add some scopes. Click on this button and select all of these. Scroll down and click on update. That's it. Click on save and continue. For the application type, it's actually a web application. For the name, you can say again n8n first project. The name doesn't matter. And for the authorized redirect, we have to back to n8n website. On n8n, as you can see, we have OAuth redirect URL. Just copy this. Back here, click on add URL and paste it in here. Click on create. And as you can see, now I have client ID. On n8n, we need client ID, client secret, and also we have to connect our Gmail, which I'm going to show you how. For the client ID, let me copy this and paste it in here. Now, let's click on done. We're actually done in here. As you may know, we created a credential. We copied the client ID. We also need client secret. We can find it in the credentials section. Just click on this. Click on the edit of client. And in here, I can find client secret. Just copy that. Client ID is also in here. And now paste it in this section. Now, let's scroll down. As you can see, we have to sign in with our Gmail. But first, we have to give access to our Gmail to be able to sign in here. How we can do that? Let's back to Google Cloud. On the audience section, just click on this. And for the test users, make sure to add your Gmail. Let me add my Gmail in here and click on save. Now we're good to go. Back to n8n, we gave the client's ID, client's secret, and also access to our Gmail. So click on sign in with Google. As you can see, credentials successfully created. Select your Gmail, click on continue, ignore this warning, and click on select all. Click on continue, and connection is successful and account connected. Now, what we have to do is we should actually do this for Google Docs, Gmail, and other Google products as well. Just double click, select credentials, create new credential, but we don't have to create a new one. We already have client ID and client secret. Just copy this again and paste them in here. Also, sign in with your Gmail. We already gave access to that. And that's it. You just have to repeat this process for all Google products. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Cheers!